Chairman kam Managing Director jangka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Usanjay Goyal ula pentip pakatanat kadang syaram hadu kumba lais pak klur tam ya kabaki nong penan kam boarding hapo ke jela kim syampat la siew satya bekentup lang nadu kiriu shimat bat kumju ru kikar khana habai kran bakilat pathai khubor lai thu banaka liang jangka corporation kala syem ka sin jam ban jinrat naphang ban pendu boarding ya gitu ki yeng ki ba klam siew satya ka boarding bat hakaju kapor ula bu ka jingkar pat segi paidbah nong song snang bakin wan shakmat nak banta ban siew ya ka by boarding ka baki klam pat siew satya.
I mean, off the hand, I can't say the figures, but what you're saying is correct. These figures are quite substantial in number, and we have given the target for us to. In fact, we are targeting in a slightly phased manner. I have taken up those dues which are above 1 lakh rupees of payments which have been not paid by the consumers in last maybe 3 months' time or 1 month or 6 months' time. Those are the consumers which are in target, and for all of you, I would like to appeal to all the consumers also, those who are in the capacity to pay and they don't have any dispute regarding the bills, please come forward and pay so that we can give you better supplies. So industrial unit, as I mentioned, there is an issue about the tariff which we are taking up with the commission. The others are the cases of the disconnections which have already, they are no more getting supply from us, but at one point of time they have taken power from us and they have been disconnected, and those amounts are quite huge, and some of them have gone into the NCLT also, declaring themselves as insolvent. So we are fighting the matter before the NCLT so that we also get our dues out of the entire settlement which happens. In other cases, of course, we are taking legal course of whatever is available in our hand to get these dues back from them. Dues, if you talk about that, runs into, as Bajos was mentioning, it runs into hundreds of crores. It is, our due is more than maybe 300 crores.
300 crores?
Yes.
Both industries and
all combined, and all those who have gone into NCLT, all those where the bills are disputed, all those where they have the consumers are no more traceable. But this is not, as I mentioned, this is not a day's thing. These things have happened and have happened over a period of time, and we are now trying to work around it. How much of it is recoverable and how much of it we need to take legal course and legal action against them. As I mentioned, one classic example was this mobile towers. Same companies is existing in the state. They are not paying certain cases. In certain cases, they are paying. They should pay for all. And conveniently getting disconnected and taking another connection, that is not allowed, and we will take strict action against them.